Alright guys, we're out here with the two-wheel drive Rustler. This thing we have extended it so it's about the same wheelbase as a Slash. So you can actually put this in a drag competition if you wanted to. You know, spec it out as a drag car. But anyway, today we out here, we're about to test it. We just kind of put it together and it's not really just finalized. We just want to do some testing. We got a little cheap system that we had in the parts bin. It's a 150 amp. This is ZD Racing ESC, and this is a Surpass Hobby 3660 3500 kV motor. And if I'm not mistaken, this ZD Racing ESC is a product of Surpass Hobby, I believe. Now, don't quote me on that, but anyway, we are running two 2S batteries. Don't know if it's going to explode or not, but we're going to make it happen anyway. So these are 8200, turn this around so you can see it. So these are 8200 milliamp, 120C batteries, Z batteries. Got two of them. We're going to connect them, see what kind of speed. Got the GNS in there, and we're going to see what we can get with it. All right. Oh, and a few more things about this. I have limited the shock travel on front and back, so I didn't want this thing to, nose dive down to where it's scraping the body when I put a body on. But I also didn't want the back to plant and where it's scraping the motor or the whole transmission casing and all that. So I got it limited. I got it lowered, but I also got it limited to where it doesn't just droop all the way down and scrub. So I did drop it. Wanted to get it real low, so it's not scraping, but we're gonna see how it goes. Doing this without a body, you really shouldn't do this without a body, but I'm gonna do this without the body. It's windy today, and so I just don't want to take any chance. I do have some weight in the front. Do want to see exactly what kind of speeds will come out of this cheap system with these batteries. So let's go. The wheel came off. Okay, let's try to trace everything. Hopefully everything is intact with the wheel. The wheel is over there still standing. I wish I would have brought my temp gun, but I can keep my fingers on the motor so it's not hot on 4S. Like I said, this is a 3500 kV motor with a 3660 can, running a 150 amp ESC, running it on 4S. Oh, everything's still intact. Oh yeah, everything's still intact. Just need to be tightened. Just came loose. Just came loose. Alright, we can turn this off. It held up pretty good. I still don't really know the top speed because I should have put a better radio on this. I was losing signal, and so it was like cutting out, and I didn't want to crash it. A few times I thought I had lost signal. I thought I had lost it. Really, I thought it was gonna hit the curve, and it kind of spun out and slowed itself down. So we'll go back, check the GPS and see exactly how fast I got it up to this last time. I got it up to 48, but it wasn't full throttle at all. it wasn't even half throttle, to be honest with you, because once I got it, maybe tried to get it up to half throttle, I can tell it was losing the signal. And so I'm gonna have to put one of my Dumbo radios, just take one of my Dumbo radios from one of my crawlers and use it on this just to give it that distance. I got this old Fly Sky radio I had laying around. It's the FS GT3B, so not very long range, very short range, to be honest with you. And maybe it could be my receiver. The antenna may not be, maybe some damage to the antenna, maybe, I don't know, but all in all, I didn't want to just risk it, knowing that we just put this thing together, we're just testing it out, it's not finalized. Basically, I want to test the gears, and I want to test the just this motor ESC combo, the KV, most definitely. I just want to see if it'll take 4S with this gearing, and like I said, it did. Even though I never got up to top speed, but still, I did continuous runs, low speed runs, 48 miles per hour runs. But we're gonna see what this last run was. I tried to get kind of midway and try to stay in range, try to walk with it, run with it, but still, thing was losing signal. So we're gonna check this thing out and see exactly what little speeds that we did get with it, and once we do that, we'll go back to the drawing board and upgrade. Like I said, some more upgrades need to be done to this. This basically was put together with parts, you know. I even have another Rustler chassis sitting around. I just gotta put together as well. So let's see what we got. Stop, read. So that did 55. I know it has more. A little under half a throttle, 55 miles per hour. So we're gonna come out here again, but I'm gonna put a Dumbo radio on this, and we're gonna go ahead and just open it up and just let it rip. So yeah, I think with this setup, I think 70 should be what you can get out of this setup. This is what I'm believing. So I'm gonna say 70. Y'all let me know what you think this setup would get. 70 miles per hour, I would say. I think it'll be 70 miles per hour. All right, guys.